person who has so much of potential ended up losing his sight and his life. If you want me to be specific, I can tell you he did 56,250 steps, wrong steps. Samson did not lose it all at once. It was a lot of unhealthy, unhelpful decisions, one at a time. If you look at Judges chapter 16 verse 1, one day Samson went to Gaza where he saw a prostitute. He went in to spend the night with her. This one day means a lot for Samson. You need to understand that. This one day actually came after 20 years of Samson leading Israelites as a judge. One day he took a bad decision, and that bad decision led to several other bad decisions. So you need to understand that Samson, he was so much talented, yet he was risking so much for such a little pleasure. Now, how many steps did I say? 56,250 steps. How can I say this? The distance between Zorah to Gaza is 40 kilometers, which is nearly 56,250 steps. So you need to understand that no one plans to mess up their life, but we do it step by step.